Introducing the Intuitive Hour. Awaken your inner voice with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify the powers of your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Hello, everyone. It's the Intuitive Hour. As always, it's a pleasure to be with you here today. Thank you for joining me. All right, we're talking about runes today. All about runes. That's our topic, what they are and knowing how they can help answer many of life's questions. All right, so while the word rune means mystery, whisper, or secret, it is actually no secret why the ancients relied on it to look into the future and explain the events of the present. Runes are an oracle reading system or form of divination used to gain insights and advice. Runes, which are most commonly made of stone or wood, display a symbol from each of the runic alphabet on them. The oldest symbols being from the Germanic runic alphabet. So there are different kinds of rune stones depending on which alphabet you choose to follow. Anglo-Saxon, Fthoric, Surith, Elder Fthoric, Gothic runes, Hungarian runes, Turkic, Younger Fthoric. A wide variety, as you can see. So it's the Elder Fthoric rune alphabet emerging in popularity today, and it is also known as the alphabet with the blank. All right, so the runes are traditionally placed in a spread or pattern of several tiles for a reading. Each symbol displayed on the rune has a particular meaning and is interpreted in conjunction with how they're spread out. There are 24 or 33 symbols on each stone, depending on the alphabet you are using, and each symbol has a particular meaning and interpretation. There are several methods for getting the answers you seek. Number 1, close your eyes, concentrate on your question, and choose a rune from its pouch. Your choice will be your answer. Number 2, concentrate on the question at hand and then gently toss all the runes from the bag onto a soft surface. Search the runes that stand out and read your answer. Number 3, lay the runes out in a grid and let your hand pass over them slowly while concentrating on what answers you need. Use your left hand if you are right-handed and your right hand if you are left-handed. You'll sense the rune that holds the answer to your question. And number 4, place your mind in a neutral state. Let go of worry and concerns from your thinking. Now, draw 3 runes from the bag and line them up. The first rune will be the answer to a past situation, the second to a present situation, and the last rune will be the answer to a future situation. This type of reading comes from a Norse mythology of 3 sisters who were able to decide mankind's fate. There are also readings done with the runes in a particular shape. The diamond-shaped reading is good for gaining insight regarding immediate outcomes. I would highly suggest that reading for that kind of question or outcome. A cross-shaped spread is for a life path reading, And a circle reading will help you learn about the romantic energy between two people. Finally, there is the Well of Word that comes directly from Norse mythology. It is said the tree of life receives its water from this well, and that Odin discovered the runes there. This reading is complex and it does require study, but it gives great insight into multiple questions and probable fates. One need not study to learn how to read runes. Most any set will come with a booklet describing the symbols and characters. There are also a number of rune books available that give detailed meanings, interpretations, and history. Runes are just one more form of divination to help you along your life's journey. If you feel a strong pull and resonation with runes, this is your indication. It is something that is meant for you to learn more about. Enjoy your discovery. All right, everyone, thank you for being here. I look forward to seeing you next week.
Thanks for listening to the Intuitive Hour. If you're inspired to take your intuitive development to the next step, be sure to enroll in Michelle's newly released Kickstart Your Intuition e-course at michellebeltran.com.